Crypto scam warning. Yes, viewers. In this video, we are giving two security tips about Trust Wallet if you are going to use or if you already used. So this video is very informative for you. In this video, I'm giving you complete information about security. How can you save your account from scammer or hacker, and what is option you will choose. So before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you face any problem regarding deposit and withdrawal, you can to mail to me at my email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com. You can see here right top corner. Let's start our video. My Trust Wallet already installed. I just simply click on it, and then I will enter my password here. The first step is, or first security is of your Trust Wallet. When you are going to create account, you must have apply your strong password like your bank account. You can see here I have apply almost 12 words password in my Trust Wallet. When I'm going to log in my wallet, so I will enter my correct password, then my wallet will be shown front of me, otherwise gone. So before going to use your Trust Wallet, when you create account, you must apply your strong password, otherwise your scammer or hacker will hack your wallet or hack your fund. Okay, this is the first step when you are going to use Trust Wallet. I have applied my strong password, so that I'm going to click on unlock button. Now going to use the full screen. Now you can see here my wallet is open in front of me. First tip we have discussed, you must apply your strong password. Now we are going to second tips. You just simple click on setting button, and now you can see here there's option available security, and you can see here there is option available biometric login. You must apply biometric login. If you are going to create account in Trust Wallets, when you are going to create account, so there will be shown two options. The first option biometric, the second option is seed phrases or password. So I recommend it to you, you must choose biometric login, because when you are going to log in your account without biometric, your account never log in, and scammer can't hack your account. Okay, so keep in your mind, you must apply this option from your Trust Wallet when you were creating account, or you can also use after create account. So there is shown option available here, a secure and simple way to unlock your wallets. Click on setup biometric. So there's three options available here: Google Password Manager, use a phone tablet, and use an external security. So it's depend on you. Both options or these options is available here, so you can choose any option from this. All option is secured. Okay, so going to click on cancel, because this time I'm not set up biometric. I will give you more information about how to set up biometric in a different video. So this is the second tips which is I told you in this video. Now we are going to move to third tips. Okay, third tip is you just take the backup of your seed phrases. You can see here there's shown the message backup your seed phrases, means my account is not secure if I have fund in this wallet. So let's suppose my browser crashed, so I have not any option to recover my wallet or restore my wallets. So three tips is you must save your seed phrases. Simple click on it, and after that shown enter password here which is you applied, and click on submit button. Now you can see here your seed phrases shown in front of you. You must save your seed phrases in safe place. Let's suppose I have my seed phrases. I will write in my personal diary. Also make the print of these seed phrases, because sometime I need to recover, restore my wallets, that time these seed phrases will be help for me. So many users send to me message they have not saved seed phrases. So I said that there is not option available here where you can recover your account. So you must save your seed phrases. Okay. So keep in your mind. The fourth number is when you send money from your account to other account, you must send the money before check the network and also address. This is both option is very necessary when you are send the money. So how can you check the network? Simple is that go to the network option before going to send the money. All network is available here. Let's suppose I want to send the Bitcoin. First I need to select the Bitcoin, and after that I select Bitcoin wallet. Now the option is open in front of me. You can see here. And when I'm going to send Bitcoin to my other wallet, so before going to send, I just simply click on send option. Before going to send, you must cross check you have entered or paste here your correct wallet address or not. If you paste by mistake you paste wrong wallet address, so your fund will be lost. You never recover your wallet. So keep in your mind, this is a special tips for you. First, you need to check the network. After that, you must need to cross check your wallet address. Then you can transfer your fund from your trust wallet to other wallets. So I covered four crypto wallets or trust wallet tips. First, you must apply your strong password. Must apply a strong password like your bank account if you want to save your account from scammer. Second is that you must apply biometric option in your trust wallet. This is very necessary. Fourth option, you must take the backup of your wallet. When you create accounts, you must save your backup wallet and make the multiples copy of your backup wallet. Okay. The fourth number is before going to send money, you must cross check your network and also cross check your wallet address. All information is very necessary for you if you are going to use your trust wallet. This video is especially for beginners who want to use trust wallet. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallet Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get the same information about cryptocurrency wallets, so you can go to my YouTube channel and click on playlist button. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.